In today's lesson, we are going to be using the clay to make a small tiger sculpture, and you are aiming for it to look like this. So you'll see my tiger is lying down on the floor, has its two front legs sticking forward and two back legs here, has a tail, a curly tail on the back, and a head attached to the front like this. So this is what you are aiming to make today, and it is really important that you listen carefully to all of the instructions step by step, so you know exactly how to make this sculpture here. You're going to need your block of clay that you were sent in the post, and we're going to need about half of it today. You're also going to need a chopstick to help you model some of the smaller sections of the tiger. So please ask permission to borrow a chopstick and then definitely give it a good clean afterwards so that it can be used again for eating once you're finished using it to model today. The first thing you're going to need to do is take a pair of scissors and carefully cut open the top of your packet of clay. Now, when you're using the clay, you should put down something to protect the table that you're working on. I'm using a cutting mat, but you could use a piece of newspaper, a large piece of paper, a table mat, anything to protect the surface that you're working on, because the clay will make a mess. Okay, and we are going to need about half of this packet's worth of clay. So I want you to start by taking half and then resealing the other half until we need it. And you'll notice that on the packet there is a sticker, a black sticker that you can peel off, and then you use that to seal up the packet. If you don't seal it, it will go dry and you can't use it again. Okay, so that's sealed, ready for if I need it later. Okay, so we're going to begin by making the body of the tiger. And to do that, you're going to take about half of this piece that I've just taken, so it's about a quarter of the whole block, and we are going to roll it into a kind of sausage shape. Okay, so gently rolling between my hands and then pressing onto the table so that it has a flat base. Okay, and at this point, I'd like you to try and smooth out any cracks or lumps in the clay so you have a nice smooth surface. Okay, and this will form the body of the tiger. Okay, so we're aiming for a nice smooth shape, like this is about the length of my finger. Okay, and that is our tiger's body.